Okay, I'm going to talk a little bit about setting up Google Analytics. Why is Google Analytics important? It tracks all the event data on your website, and what we're going to do is we're going to take the event data from Google Analytics, specifically your goal tracking, and we're going to send that across to Google AdWords, and Google AdWords is then going to optimize the campaigns based off of these goals. So whether those goals are lead generation or purchases on your website, your ads will get smarter and targeted for those specific goals. It's very powerful, especially when you're optimizing for those goals. And we're going to run through it. So I'm going to jump into that. I'm going to run you through step by step. It's slightly different. Mine was already set up, but the gist of it is the same. If you've got any questions, hit them up in the comments. If you want more of this, subscribe, and I'll be sharing more videos around Google Analytics, AdWords, optimizing your business and growing your business online. So let's jump into the video and we'll just run through the step by step. Okay, let's talk about setting up Google Analytics. So go to Google, search Google Analytics, click Google Marketing Platform and get started. And now you'll set up your Google Analytics account, give it a name, and this is gonna track all of your website data, and you're going to send that back to AdWords. So set up with the standard settings, click next, give your property a name. You can have multiple properties on the account, and set a currency and time zone, and hit next, and then set up your business details and select a sector, and then set your business objectives. You can select one or multiple of these. This will just determine like your starting layout of what's going to show in analytics, and then accept the terms you never read, and we're off. Select web, because you're probably setting this up for a website. You can also use apps, and put in your website URL and give your stream a name. You can have multiple streams for the same name. That is irrelevant right now, but yeah. And then, yeah, stream set up and next, and then you will need to set up your tag. So we'll set up your tracking. So use Google Tag Manager, and you will then have to set up Google Tag Manager. You'll need this tag ID, and we'll go to Tag Manager, Google Tag Manager, and we will set up an account there, and you will set up a new container, and you will set that up for your website. And in this container you will set up a tag, and that tag will be a Google tag, and you will input the Google Tag ID. Mine was already set up, so it'll be slightly different for you. Save it, and once it's saved you'll need to then publish those changes. So you'll submit it and put a description. This is just so you know, like from historical publishers, what you did. And this one we added our Google tag, and off it goes. And now it's live on your website and tracking event data, which you'll then send back to AdWords, and we'll then go and import goals from analytics into AdWords so that we can optimize based off of these events on your website.